welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, we are in downtown Tampa at Trilogy Performance. They're having a little open house today, and they're going to be doing some two-stepping, some dyno pulls, and some whatnot. And you know what? Your boy was in the area, and I thought I'd stop by and bring you with me. But before we get too crazy into today's video, do me a solid, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up, all that stuff is super rad. I want you guys to get more interactive in the chats. If you see something you like, leave a timestamp. That's something I want to try to get people to do. Timestamp something, leave a comment about it, a particular vehicle or something, and let's get a little community interaction going on with some of this stuff. And I think it'd be a lot of fun. So all that is super greatly appreciated, and it's helpful as all get out. I do notice in my analytics that a lot of you guys that are watching are not subscribed. So it's free, and it helps me out a whole bunch, and it's the best way to help support the channel. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, that'd be great. Now let's get into today's video.
But if you guys notice, the torque is more than the first pull of the car did. The torque was 766. This car's making some serious power, man.
Alright, your boy's tired. Day's not quite over yet, but it is for me. So it feels like Tampa like 104, and I'm getting old and I can't handle this kind of heat anymore, so we're gonna wrap things up for today. I hope you enjoyed. As always, stay positive, work hard, and god dang it, make it happen, you know? Like, the only thing stopping you from making it happen is you.